Introducing the Antonio, one of the larger profiles in Luz Negra's designer pendant light range, made with high-quality aluminum. It is available in 8 different color finishes to perfectly match any interior. Azure blue, black, ivory, pastel yellow, patina green, red tomato, stone gray, and white. The profile is perfect for pendant lighting, such as over desks, kitchen islands, dining room tables, boardroom tables, and even billiards tables. You can even get a color that matches your felt. The Antonio can also be surface mounted at different angles, giving you flexible and customizable aesthetic lighting effects. You can buy with confidence, knowing there is a 10-year guarantee on the profile, and 4 years on its diffusers. The large size of the Antonio offers excellent heat dissipation, allowing it to accommodate high-power LED strips such as the King Protea series and Cardinal Flower series, without compromising performance due to overheating. The Antonio features an internal light tray, to which an LED strip can be mounted. You can easily slide it in and out for repairs and maintenance. It also leaves an area in the Antonio for power supplies and controllers. You can download the cut sheet from our website to see the dimensions of the available space. Please note that the internal light tray is sold separately from the profile. So be sure to consider this when placing an order. This profile also features a top sliding tray that can be used for surface mounting, and you can additionally attach a hanging kit to it. The diffuser is available in a frosted finish. Simply clip in the diffuser to the internal light tray. Make sure it is securely fastened all the way around. We can also cut the Antonio to any specific length or angle you need. Just let us know in the order notes. If you would rather do the cutting on site, you can watch our video to pick up the best practices when cutting LED profiles. Let's take a quick look at some of the accessories we offer, for use with the Antonio. To create stunning pendant light fixtures, we recommend the Universal Hanging Kit, available for purchase on our site. We also have a short tutorial video showing you how to use it. To complete your light fixture, you'll want to use end caps. There are 8 colors to choose from. To use these end caps, simply align them to the ends of the profile, and attach them with small screws. Make sure they are securely fastened to the ends of the profile. The Carmen has 4 holes where you screw the end caps in. We also offer mounting clips, which you can use to attach the Antonio to surfaces and hanging kits with ease. You can use joining plates and brackets to seamlessly join 2 lengths of the profile together. If you're interested in using the Antonio for your LED projects, check it out on our site. If you have any questions, please reach out. We'll use our 20 years of LED expertise to assist you. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.